Hello, in front of me I've got Nikon Z30. In this video I'll show you how to switch between camera and photo mode. In the beginning, take a look right here. Here we've got this switch. Thanks to the switch you can switch between photo and camera mode. Both for photo or camera mode you can change ISO, aperture, focal length, autofocus. Also right here we've got the left and right microphone. To start shooting videos, press this button. To take photo while shooting video, press this button. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.